In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead magnet in Getresponse. We'll walk through the exact process of hosting your lead magnet file and then setting up an automated email that delivers it instantly when someone signs up. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional system that runs on autopilot. First, we need to host your file inside Getresponse so it has a stable URL you can share. In your Getresponse account, go to the top menu and look for the Tools option. Click on Tools, then select Files and Images. This is where all your uploaded assets live, like PDFs, ebooks, checklists, or any other type of lead magnet. Next, upload your lead magnet. Click the Add Files button, then choose the file from your computer. Give it a moment to upload fully. When it's done, you should see it appear in your file list. Now we want to grab the direct link to this file. Find your file, click on the three dots next to it, and choose Copy URL. This copied link is what your subscribers will click to access the lead magnet, so keep it handy for the next part. Now let's create the delivery email that sends your lead magnet automatically. Go back to the Tools menu and this time choose Autoresponders. Then click Create Autoresponder. An autoresponder is just an email that goes out based on timing and conditions, which is perfect for delivering a lead magnet right after someone joins your list. Set the timing so it sends immediately. In the day field, set it to 0, meaning it will go out on the same day someone signs up. Then choose the option that says Same Time as Sign-up Time. This makes sure your new subscriber receives the email right away instead of waiting for a scheduled batch. Next, click Design Message to build your email. Pick a template that fits your style. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should clearly explain what they're getting and how to access it. Inside the email editor, drag a button element into your email. Edit the button text to something clear like Download your guide or Access your free resource. Then paste the file URL you copied earlier into the button link field. This ties the button directly to your hosted lead magnet file. When everything looks good, click Next, then choose Save and Publish. Your lead magnet delivery system is now live and will automatically send your file to every new subscriber.